Tours. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Are we ready to try Beverly? Oh. But I want this one. Go on. I wouldn't all get it, I'd just all try it. Just trying Beverly. Oh no!
Oh, it's just got impacts. Oh, it's got very impactsy.
You might as well all try that one. Try her one. There's no point all drinking the same one. It's the Beverly.
It smells nice and then the taste really disappoints you. It's really bubbly.
Oh.
I suggest the South Africa one. It's very good. Oh yeah.
Oh.
I suggest trying the South Africa one. It's very good.
Okay, that is frosty.
What is this thing? I was like, no way I can have that before.
Hot. I don't like everything.
No.
It's making my tongue go fuzzy. Keep missing. Oh well. Oh no.
What's that one?
Melon. I don't like anything melon flavored. I know, I wish they did.
Try that one. Or is that kiwi? No, it's kiwi mango. Pineapple.
Oh, that's That's really good.
Right.
Was that one? Right. This is a Peru. Flavour.
That's right, stand in front of me.
Going on the fishing ride.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now. Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go. Oh, don't worry, eyes overboard all the way.
Yes, have you seen it?
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh, hello.
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know where. That's what I'm trying to find.
I do.
Nemo, where are you, Nemo?
Jellyfish.
I'm looking.
Jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of blue.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
I want to meet a fellow parental unit. Hi.
Hi.
Name's Crush. What is your name? Peggy Ann. And Dusty. Dusty the dad. Awesome, dude. Dusty, how many offspring do you have, dude? Two. Dude, you're just getting started, Dusty. Two. Dude, I've got 65. It's not a contest, dude. Dusty, these little offspring, do they ever ask you questions?
All the time.
Job, and some days you're like, oh, dude. Right, dude?
Right on.
Job. Dude, from one proud papa to another, we totally just shared a moment. Thanks, Dusty, dude. You so totally rock!
Dude. So Fran's struggling to cope with birds with long legs. That's the first thing she's struggling with on holiday.
It's definitely not. The band was probably the first thing.
Oh yeah, she lost her magic band the first day, and now she can't deal with birds with legs.
What was it the first day?
So she lost her band. And now she can't deal with birds with legs.
No, birds with legs.
Just birds with
Abnormally
legs.
large legs.
So what, you want them to be like on stumps?
Yes.
You what?
Heron.
that one?
Oh, I have no idea. We're bird watching.
That's a blue heron.
Apparently.
Where are we going?
To World Showcase.
What would if I run out of memory?
Disney vacation.
Go around the world, Dad.
Yeah. I was saying get good reading. Only going to be Disney vacation for 4 nights.
There we go.
They should change.
So warm.
these sunglasses for tomorrow.
Yep.
She's my,
What, when it rains again?
My eyebrows at the moment. Trying to block out some of it.
Use a bloody bird's legs, that would be big enough. Yeah. Really block out the sun.
That's really freaking you out.
Why are they so long? They don't need to be that long.
Where it lives, it's in the swampy bit, isn't it?
No. Well, are we near a swamp? No, we're in Disneyland.
That's pretty, I don't know.
So I would say that Florida is like the swamp, like, place of the earth.
But are we in a swamp right now?
Yes. Epcot is a glorified swamp.
Huh?
One second, guys.
I think it's just like
Sure. Sammy's sock slipping off. That's the highlight of today.
what?
Sammy's sock coming off.
There we go. I'm all fixed.
Woo-hoo! Just like being at home. Just like we never left.
Good day, sir.
Well, this is our homeland. So,
Good Twinings tea. A true Englishman brings PG tips.
no, I think she works in the chip shop. Pretty sure she works in the chip shop. Oh, I need to go and see if she's working. Is Lizzie working? We must go find out.
Oh, and the cookie dial. Found Lizzie.
Do you want to go in here then?
You gonna go in here?
Do you want to go in here?
No, I don't know, it's like half an hour wait. I can't remember that.
Say hi.
Yeah, you gonna go?
I'm filming you.
Papa's entrees.
What? Oh yeah. Papa's entrees. And you're not there for it.
We found Lizzie!
Tigers are amazing. So but if you want to get her in the UK, thank you.
Oh my god, we found BabyBeazle!
Oh, hi there. How are you doing?
I'm good about.
I know. I have you on Facebook. How are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
And
I'm trying to think
welcome.
like what's happening. What? They literally just vlogged and were like, we just found the BabyBeazle. He gives me stick for my YouTube constantly.
It's great! It's giving them publicity.
Exactly. How are you guys doing?
Oh, good.
Awesome. Do you want some Mickey stickers?
Yes!
Too easily called.
Thank you!
Lizzie and